how to listen song on your 3.5 mm jackpot on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 or any phone. So you can see it's a type C. So to support or use this, you need to buy this kind of converter. I am buying from Besus and just insert it. And now if I insert it, let's try it's working or not. Let's try with Spotify. Then if I play any song, you can see it's going with headphone. It's now. And if I remove, then you can see. So this is how you can easily see listen song with 3.mm jack on your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. Don't forget to thumbs up. Have a good day.